Hi everyone, my name is Sahil and I've built this project which is a data science query assistant, and this is basically built with Streamlit and LangChain, and this is a RAG project which means it's a retrieval augmented generated project. So I have implemented uh, three things in this project, which is a query assistant, a dataset analysis tool, and a link link tool so that you can chat with any website that you like. So I'll show you a basic demo of how this project works. So here you can type in any topic that is related to data science. So suppose you just type in machine learning and press enter. Take some time. So here you can see it not only generates theoretical side of the generative, but it also generates quiz questions, which I have right now limited to two, and flashcards for a better learning method for students who wants to learn data science. So here you can see you can just look into what's in the flashcards here, and also you can take instant quiz, which is automatically generated by the LLM models which I've used. So for this query assistance, the LLM model that I've used is called Cohere model. So I'll show you. So this is the model that I've used for NLP processing. So yeah, it's a really good model, I would say, and it, it has worked perfectly while implementing, and it's also open source, so that also we can use. And coming to the next thing is, so this feature is that like uh, you can just upload any CSV file to this. Suppose it's a data set or whatever it is, and you can just ask direct questions related to that CSV files with the LLM. So I'll show you with an example how it works. So you can just ask a simple question like, what is this data set about? So LLM will directly interact with the CSV file and give you answers related to any of your questions. So this is basically the CSV file that I have uploaded. It's related to forest fires, and you will see how in the backend it runs and read through the CSV files. So you can see the LangChain is entering new agent executed chain, and it analyzes all the data which is in the file. So here you can see the answer that this dataset contains information about forest fires, including location, month, day, weather condition, and the area affected by the fire. You can also ask other questions like how many rows and columns are there So you'll see it will again start and chain, and it automatically applies df.shape to get to the final answer, and then it will know there are 517 rows and 13 columns in the data frame, and so it will give out the answer here. So it's really cool, like how you can just interact with the CSV files and just like do your data science work with just asking the AI to do it for you. So even if it's like you can just type in remove all the duplicates. So here you can see it has automatically applied df.drop duplicates. So now it will give out the answer. The duplicates have been removed from the data frame. So it's a very useful tool, I would say, when you're working with any data set. So coming to the next feature that I've added here is chatting with the websites. So basically you can add any website link here in this place, and you can directly chat with that website, and it could be anything. Say I would say even the latest things that are not updated in ChatGPT, which is like ChatGPT is not updated every day, so you can just ask like, see, latest US news today, and you can just see like a CNN news here. Go to politics. See, just you can paste it here. Okay, so it loads your previous history also, and then you can just ask the AI, give me top 5 headlines. And let's see how does it work. And there you can see it extract the text from the websites that you give, and here it will give you the top time provided from the website source, and there you go, like, and that's very useful when you're building or working on any project that you're not sure of, and you can just add documentation. Say if you're working with LangChain, you can like just give it, see, this document link to the application, and just ask the question here, how would I install LangChain, and press enter, and let's see how does it respond. And there you go. So you see how it extracts everything out from the website, and it gives you all the basic details like how would you go ahead. So it's very useful when you are working on something new and you don't know the exact ways to implement things. So you can just give out the documentation of that tech, and you can easily get answers instead of uh, testing it with ChatGPT, which is never sure, like it gives out the right answer or it is updated as of the latest update from that website. So this is the basic demo of my project, and there are a lot of improvements that can be done in this project uh, going further, like adding image generator in this query assistance where it can generate mind maps for better learning, and uh, with the loading data set, this would is a very powerful tool, I would say, but it requires a good API as of like ChatGPT. Right now, I'm using a trial-based open source API, so it sometimes gets stuck when it gets too much payload on the API, as there are only 4 to 5 requests allowed right now with this API. So that will be all for the demo of my project. In the next video, I'll show how you can build one of these tools and how you can code these. I'll show you the code. Thank you.